So dear guests, shareholders, interested investors, partners and team. What we present to you today is an invention and investment opportunity talking direct into the agenda of the world. Why is our board so much more interesting than what you already can find on the market? The values for fire and sound protection are so high that you only need one layer on each side of a wall to meet the regulatory requirements of Europe and Britain. All materials we use are recycled, cleaned. The wood inside have the carbon, and this is why we are carbon negative. Used boards can be recycled 100%. The board is very easy to install, saving manpower and construction time. The boards are ready for painting. As a user, you can hang up your paintings and shelves with a screw direct in the board. EnviraBoard is sustainability aligned with competitiveness.
We have raised £800,000, which mainly has gone into constructing a mini plant in Denmark. The mini plant will serve three purposes. It will be producing board samples for customers and for testing, so we can validate again. It's really a brilliant board, as Bjørn has just talked us through. We will make the facility available for investor due diligence on the technical side, and we will use the facility as an ongoing R&D, so we can test different types of waste and hence diversify our product portfolio as we develop. Our current fundraise of the 1.6 we're looking at right now will be dedicated to automating the mini plant, to continue our feasibility studies to identify just the right location for the first factory, and it will be part of the work in raising the 45 million we need for the first factory. In preparation, not only for the first factory, but also for our international expansion, I'm proud to say that we have teamed up with an organization called GreenBridge. And GreenBridge is a company which is redefining sustainable construction and the carbon markets.
GreenBridge and EnviraBoard will focus on building the future regenerative infrastructure and a strategic collaboration for sustainable materials, circular value and climate impact. Our vision is to make a climate positive infrastructure commercially competitive, locally sourced and globally scalable. So why GreenBridge chose to partner with EnviraBoard? We are aligned with circular carbon negative ethos. It's a market-ready alternative to OSB, MDF and gypsum. It enables local manufacturing and job creation and decarbonises social and affordable housing. Together, GreenBridge and EnviraBoard will develop hemp-enhanced EnviraBoard panels. We will establish regional production hubs near biomass sources and enable carbon-negative housing and infrastructure products. Our next steps around pilot production and carbon footprint validation and scaling through regional and international partnerships. Our focus essentially is from waste to worth and work together to create materials, models and markets that regenerate rather than extract.
For about 10 years now, I support startup companies with high potential projects having an impact on climate change. Why do I like EnviraBoard? First, every project is coming from people. I'm very impressed and confident that the team in place will succeed. Second, I like the product. The product is carbon negative. So this is really a tendency in the construction market and a very important characteristic for every product, every innovative product on the market. I see really a huge potential on the project and the company. And so far, my gut feeling was never wrong.
One of the things that's happening in the EU is a change and a gradual increase in regulation. and they're moving, unlike some parts of the world. The EU is really taking climate change and the circular economy very, very seriously. So there will be more and more regulations. It's been going on for about 2 or 3 years now, and so that means, from my experience, when you have a product which is a good product and it's out there, it's available, and it's also being mandated by government and law, you've got a very, very winning chance. So we're really looking forward to it. We think EnviraBoard, its time has come.
So I act on behalf of EnviraBoard, securing patent protection, and I'm also an investor in EnviraBoard. And throughout my career, you see technologies come and go, and every now and again you see something and think, wow, that's amazing. You know, this could be disruptive, and who doesn't like to rock the boat a bit? I'd certainly do that. I like to approach patents with a sort of a Jerry Maguire attitude. Show me the money and I'll map your IP onto how we make money. So we did that. We sat down and looked at the market, looked at what they did, looked at what we could protect, and we filed a patent application in the UK for that, and the search results are looking quite promising. We've got, towards the end of this year, the opportunity to file more broadly via an international application or direct national applications.
You know, in terms of the whole cake, we've got a brilliant product. The team is really, really, really exceptional. And then there are a load of drivers out there that are, there's the zero carbon driver, there's the fact that there is nothing out there like it, maybe a couple that would come close. There's the big fact that the input is negatively priced. So that means they can create a fat margin. So that's a fat margin for them, or it's a fat margin for the distributors. And if you can offer the distributors and agent a big fat margin to work with, then they're happy as Larry because they're making money. As we are, and it's still very, very cheap. 30 million euros has gone in to develop this. So we're at 7 million market cap at the moment, 6 pence per share. The exit price that we're looking for is 100 pence. So there's a considerable rich multiple under the EIS that is available for all the investors that come in now. And look, if you're buying at 50 pence on EIS, you're still getting a great deal. If you can help in any way, if you can get your investment in, you're still buying at 6. We have ambitions to move to 11 by December. Please do, and thank you very much. I mean, it's a fantastic, fantastic, fantastic product.
Thank you very much.